We are at the beautiful Terrace Club in Dripping Springs. So, doing a fence staining today, but we're gonna do it a little unusual. Not our typical process because it's so windy. And it's been windy for past week. And it's gonna be windy the rest of this week, except for maybe a little break on Friday. However, they have a event this Saturday, and I'd like to get this finished for them without it looming over their heads. So let's take a look. So this fence is about, I think 8 feet up, 8 feet tall, and it was installed by Integrity Fence. It's a small fence, so I'm gonna use a pump-up sprayer today versus our typical Graco. And we'll see. Hopefully the wind doesn't cause any issues with the pump-up sprayer. One of my favorite tools on stain day. First time using slate. Well, I don't love the pump-up sprayer. It soaked up a lot, used up a lot more stain than I was planning. So, ultimately it looks fine. It looks just the same as you would expect from an airless from the Graco, but it was just also took a lot longer because you had to refill, pump, smaller blade or tip. So take a look. So here's the slate from Stain and Seal Experts. Looks pretty.